am Cecil Berdin from BSHM2E. So for today, I'm going to cook Chinese cuisine for our Asian cuisine subject. And the Chinese cuisine that I'm going to cook is the red braised pork belly. So here are the ingredients. Pork belly cut into cubes. Light soy sauce, rice wine, central, star anise, bay leaf, and the dark soy sauce. We'll put the pork belly now and we will cook it into slightly brown. And now we will transfer this to the plate and set aside. Let's add water. Add 2 tablespoons of central. We will add 1 tablespoon of oil. We will add 1/4 water. So we will mix it well and we will transfer it to a bowl. We will add 1 teaspoon of oil. We will add ginger. Bay leaf and star anise. We will add the fish sauce. The dark soy sauce and the rice wine and the sugar mixture. Once the sauce is boiling, we will put again the meat. Mix it well. Now we will put water. Well. And this is my finished product.